combination and set list modes. Go to combination mode. In combination mode, you have hundreds of combination sounds, or combis as they are sometimes called. As the name implies, a combi is an organization of up to 16 sounds from program mode, with each sound given its own key range and velocity range. The 16 parts of a combi are referred to as timbres. Combis can be simple layers like this piano and voices, but there are many more possibilities, as you'll soon discover. Combis are organized and selected in banks and categories in the same way the programs are, with of course the find feature plus assigning particular combis as your favorites. Although some of the categories are named the same as some of the program categories, like keyboard, organ, etc., some others are unique to combi mode. For example, combis in the lead splits category. They have a sound or sounds in the lower range for playing chords, and different sounds in the top range for playing leads. I say sound or sounds because it can be as simple as an acoustic bass in the lower range and a piano in the top range. Or it could be a layer of several sounds in different key ranges triggered at different velocities. As you can hear, KORG's smooth sound transition doesn't cut off the previous combi. Press Exit. From the keyboard category, select the sneak. By the way, if you prefer, the Enter button can always be used instead of touching OK on the screen. Like in program mode, each combi has access to 12 insert effects, 2 master effects, and 2 total effects. Each timbre has its own 3-band parametric EQ. As well, the RT control knobs can quickly and intuitively adjust the sound. You can see here that in combi mode you have quick layer and quick split, like we saw earlier in program mode. But in combi mode, you are combining the entire current combi you have selected with another program of your choice. Touch Quick Split. The current combi is in the upper range, and here you can choose the program you want in the lower range. And as before, you can choose the octave, the split point, etc., and then touching here to name it and save it to a specific combi location. Press Exit twice. Quick Layer works the same way. Saving any edits to a combi are the same as program mode by using either the page menu or the Quick Access F button to access the right combi page. Go to Set List mode. Set lists are designed for performing. They make it simple to play and organize any of the programs, combinations, or even sequencer songs in the Nautilus. There are 128 set lists, and each set list has 128 slots, each of which can be assigned to any program, combination, or sequencer song. A set list is like a bank of 128 slots. To select a slot, simply touch the one you want. You can also use the value dial and plus and minus buttons. Even an optional foot switch can be assigned to step through the slots. Notice that SST, Smooth Sound Transitions, is available here as well. These buttons take you to the next or previous group of slots. Other set lists can be selected here. Each slot has the number, the slot name, and the program, combination, or sequencer song assigned to the slot. You can display 16, 8, or 4 slots at a time, giving you more room for text saved with that set list slot or to make your text larger. Great for having reminders and cues as well as lyrics. You can adjust the levels of individual timbres of a combi, adjust parameters of programs, all without affecting the original combi, program, or song. Press Exit. Press Page and select Edit. Here you can cut, copy, and paste to move slots around, or even groups of slots. Choose the color for the slot, add text, and more. By the way, you can plug in a USB QWERTY keyboard to use to enter text. Very useful. Programs, combinations, or songs can be added to a setlist in two ways. Either from within this Edit page, select the type of resource here, a program, a combi, or a song. You can choose which sequencer track you want to play on the keyboard here. Then choose which program, combi, or song you want here, either by bank or by category. Press Exit to return to the main page. The other way to add to a setlist is to go to the program, combi, or song you want to add. From the page menu, choose Add to Setlist. Then choose where you want it inserted. Press Exit and go back to Setlist. Setlist is perfect for performance because KORG listened to the input and suggestions of performing musicians. For example, when you change from one performance venue to the next, you may want to adjust EQ to suit that particular room. So here, you'll find a 9-band EQ that will affect every program, combi, and song in your setlist to adjust it to the room you're in. Be sure to save your setlist before shutting off the Nautilus or going to another setlist so that any edits you may have done won't be lost. Press Exit.